Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Nissan Rogue with some great exterior features that include roof rails and 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black and gray cloth interior. This Rogue also comes equipped with power seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio controls. On the right you have your hands-free calling and your cruise. This Rogue has 81,000 kilometers. Down below on the left side here, you have your Eco and Sport modes, along with your all-wheel drive lock. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you have your AM/FM radio, along with your backup camera. Right below that, we have our climate controls. Down at the very bottom here, you have 3 outlets, and behind our gear shifter, you have your heated seat switches. Taking a look at the rear seats, we have 2 fold-out cup holders, along with storage pouches in each of the seat backs. The back of this Rogue comes with a ton of storage space with the rear seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the rear seats easily fold down. Additionally, you have storage compartments underneath your floor. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2018 Nissan Rogue with some great interior features that include heated seats, along with sport and eco drive modes. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.